Disembarkation Day, the saddest day of a Disney cruise, but let me show you how to make it more enjoyable and less stressful.
A morning framed by golden sunlight.
Your wait staff will recommend you going to the main dining for breakfast at 7:30, but we always opt to go up to Cabanas or Marcelina Market on the Wish. Cabanas opens up at 6:30 in the morning. It's not a big selection of food, but you have your Mickey waffles, your eggs. But it is nice to be able to take your time and relax on that last morning instead of rushing through breakfast. So we left our luggage in our room. After breakfast, we headed down because we're doing express walk-off. We just grabbed our luggage and headed to the gangway at 7:30 when they allowed us to get off the ship. So if you did put your luggage outside your door at 10 at night, here is where you would pick it up once you can disembark.
Let it carry you. A story.
So if you unfortunately had something confiscated when you got on the ship, you come to this table when you disembark and pick up your items. And I'm so sorry for the image quality. I forgot to turn my GoPro off max lens mod and I changed the lens, so I apologize for the shakiness. It is so easy to get to the Orlando airport using the Disney Cruise Line bus. The cast members will direct you to what bus you need to get on, and once it's full, you're off to the Orlando airport. It was about a 45-minute ride to the airport and plenty of time to catch our 12:05 flight. When we arrived to the airport, we went to the Delta counter on that same level as you get dropped off, and there was no wait. Then we went up to the next level and saw a huge line at the Delta counter, and we were so glad that we got our tickets down on the same level as the bus. We headed to the Sky Lounge and found out we had more time at the Sky Lounge than we thought we were going to have. Tanya, what are we doing? We're sitting in the Sky Lounge. Why are we sitting in the Sky Lounge and not getting on a plane?
Oh, because it got delayed 2 hours because they're having a wing issue.
A wing issue. While they are fixing our wing issue, let me show you around the Sky Lounge in the Orlando airport.
Gray winds are blowing.
So now our 2 o'clock flight out to Detroit is now going to be delayed till 5 o'clock, so more time to enjoy the food.
Let it carry you.
The food here was really good, and they even had ice cream and cannolis.
Carry you.
You don't have to bring us home from Detroit.
All the stuff. All right. Then you didn't leave our house.
You missed us? We're back on the Grand Rapids flight.
It's not right.
Now we're gonna get in at 11. I think we can board here shortly. Only a 5-hour delay, 6-hour delay.
Not too bad.
The Delta crew members were really helpful at this desk at the left. They helped me rebook all my flights for the day, and we thought we were leaving at 5, but nope, wait. We got down to the gate and we found them working on the plane still. We were finally able to board at around 6 o'clock at night. I think we made it on the plane. Yay! And let's see, did they fix? Oh, that's where they were working on the engine. We were on one of those wide-body A330s. I had so much leg room. Now we're off to Detroit. See if we can make our Grand Rapids flight. Let's see. Fingers crossed. We made it to Detroit with 45 minutes to spare. We got to our gate and they were already boarding. Made our way to the very back of the plane for that half-hour flight to Grand Rapids. Back to GR, long day, 14 hours since we started in Orlando. Our lovely daughter Elizabeth came to pick us up from the airport. She couldn't go because of college, but you can see her in our next videos when we go on the Disney Wish this summer.
calling you